Very good morning and namaste to all of you. Everyone, please sit comfortably. So, going for the relaxation first, everyone, just sit comfortably on your yoga mat. Cross your leg and keeping your back straight. कमर को सीधा रखेंगे. Make a ज्ञान mudra. Put your wrist on your knee. Eyes closed. आंखों को बंद कीजिए. Slowly and deeply. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your face muscles. Concentrate on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Om chanting, everyone. Inhale. Now both hands, both palm together. Rub your both palm, हथेली को रगड़ेंगे. Now place your both palm on your eyes. Relax your mind, feel the energy. Very gently open eyes and look up at your palm. Hands down, everyone. Breathe in and breathe out. So here, your hands up, finger lock, inhale. Exhale, look up, shoulder little behind. 6, belly in. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1, come back. Inhale and exhale, look down. Rotate your neck slowly, धीरे धीरे. Rotate कीजिए, slowly do it. Stretch your neck. Opposite rotation of your neck. Now just relax. Open hand to the side. दोनों हाथों को open कीजिए. Rotate your hands and shoulder. Open up. Straight your hands. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then opposite rotation of your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Open hand, inhale. Exhale to the right side. So here, everyone, just left neck straight over the head. Open up chest, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Slowly inhale and exhale. On your left side. Elbow down and right hand up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. आइए वापस. Coming back. Inhale and exhale. Finger lock बनाएंगे पीछे से. And just straight your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly your head down. And your hands up. 1, hip down. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back, inhale and exhale. After this, twist to the right side. Left hand on your right knee and right hand behind, close to the hip. So just try to open up your chest. Chest open कीजिए. Look behind. पीछे देखिए. 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4 and 5. वापस आएंगे. Coming back. Inhale and exhale to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back everyone. Inhale and exhale. Put your both hands behind. So this time your both hands behind and just try to go back, open up your shoulder, stretch your shoulder, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly, slowly go back and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back, inhale and exhale. Your both hands front, straight hands and go down. So slowly, slowly everyone, just go down and straight hand, hip down, breathe in and breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back everyone. Inhale and exhale. So here everyone, open up your right leg, right side. Straight your leg, open hand. Inhale, exhale. So hold your right big toe. You can touch it down and left hand up, straight over the head. Look up. Breathe in and breathe out. अपने हाथ को बिल्कुल कान के पास में रखेंगे. Keep your hand together with the ear. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. वापस come back. Inhale and exhale. Finger low, hands up. Inhale and exhale, right side, straight hand. So just try to stay in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back, inhale, exhale. Slowly, slowly you can put your head down and go down. जितना नीचे जा सकते हो ट्राई कीजिए. Just touch your chest down. अगर नहीं होता है then you can drop your elbow down. आप अपने elbow भी drop कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now after this, opposite side, your left leg left side and straight your leg. Open hands to the side, inhale, holding your big toe and exhale के साथ straight your hand up, look up, breathe in and breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Finger low, your hands up. Inhale. Lift your spine and shoulder. हाथों को सीधा रखेंगे. Exhale. Bending to the left side. 1, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back, inhale and exhale. You can open up your hands. You can drop your elbow down or you can straight your hand. So just choose one and just go down. 6, breathe in, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. वापिस आइए. Come back. Inhale and exhale. After this, coming to the butterfly, your Feet together, keeping your back straight and swing your knee up and down. So here, just try to touch your knee to the floor. नीचे की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. Your back straight, inhale, knee down, exhale के साथ, slowly down here. So here, you can drop your elbow or you can touch your chest down, you can open hand, you can finger lock. So just try and do as much you can. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Coming back, inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Everyone open your legs so you can hold your feet inside or outside. So just try to hold your feet or your big toe. धीरे धीरे legs open कीजिए. Just try to open up your legs. So if you want, you can open it little bit more wider with keeping your back straight. 5, make balance on your hip. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bend your both legs, your elbow down. So just drop your elbow down here. 1, try to go more down. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. आइए वापस, come back. Inhale and exhale, holding your big toes, straight your legs, lengthen your spine. Inhale, exhale, लंबा करेंगे आगे की तरफ. Just touch your chest down. Stay in this. 1, heel up. 2, 3, नहीं होता है then drop elbow only. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. आइए वापस, coming back. Inhale, exhale. Open your legs more wider. So just try to open it, maximum stretch in your both legs. Yes. So here, open hand, shoulder level. Inhale, exhale to the right side. Come back. Inhale, exhale to the left side. So both side, everyone. Inhale and exhale right. 1, opposite side. 2, continuous side bending. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Coming back. Inhale and exhale right side. So just try to hold your right foot. Open up your chest, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. जितना होता है try कीजिए. Inhale and exhale on your left side. Do as much you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Coming back. Inhale, exhale. Now your right hand behind on your right side. With the left hand, opposite side. Inhale and exhale to the left. दोनों side करेंगे one by one. On to the right here, continuous do it. 1, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Your hands up. Inhale. Right side exhale. Go down, everyone. You can drop your elbow here and just try to hold this position. So maximum holding, more stretch. It will open your hamstring muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. वापिस आइए. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Coming back. Inhale and exhale. In the last, drop your elbow down one more time. So slowly lengthen your spine and just stretch your leg. You can go more down also here. So you can touch your chest down if you can. You can open your hands. Also if you want, you can make finger lock in this. 1. Try according to your flexibility. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Bend your both legs. Hug your knee and relax here.